Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can power off your smartphone without touching power off button. How you can do this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the setting and here you can just type smart panel. Here it is a smart sidebar. You have to enable this feature, and friends, when you just enable this feature, you can see this appears. You can see you can use these settings like this. Press back and you have to just swipe down. You can see there is an option edit tiles, and when you just swipe down, here you can find a power off button like this. I show you. If it is not showing there, then you have to open the smart panel. You can see here it is showing power off button. If it is not showing, then you can restart your mobile, and then it is showing. When you just click on it, it automatically off your smartphone screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.